Yeah, this is the banana. Also, this is water. So I want to mix, and then this is and so this is it. So I want to cut in first in order to mix it.